Right, there are three main types of averages: mean, median and mode, and we'll also have a look at the range. Right, to find the mean, you need to add up all the numbers, so all the numbers that we have here, and then divide by the number of numbers. I've got 5 numbers in my list, so divide by 5. That's 30 on the numerator divided by 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6, so the mean is 6. Right, next one, work out the median. Now, before you can work out the median, you need to put these numbers smallest to biggest. So the middle one is, well, you could do it like this if you want. One for you, one for me, one for you, one for me. That's the middle. So the median also happens to be 6. It's just a coincidence. It's the same value as the mean, but it's always the middle value. If you want to work out the mode, mode means most common number. The most common number there happens to be 6. That's the most popular number in this list. So the mode also happens to be 6. It's just a coincidence. It matches with the other ones. Right, the range is biggest take away smallest. So remember this, range is equal to biggest take away smallest. So in this case, we have the biggest number there is 10 minus the smallest, which is 3. The range is 7. Right, next question. The mean of the following 4 numbers is 6. One number is missing. Calculate the missing number. Now we'll start doing the working out for this. Right, it's talking about the mean. And you know, to find the mean, you have to add the numbers together. So we've got 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus something. Now that something you can leave as X or as a question mark, it's up to you. Divided by, well, we've got 4 numbers there, including the number that's missing. Remember, the mean of those 4 numbers is 6, so we do need to divide by 4, right, not 3. Okay. So the mean is equal to 6. So now I need to, what I can do is simplify what's on the numerator of the fraction. Got 4 add 5 is 9, 9 add 7 is 16. Add something divided by 4 is equal to 6. Now I need to solve this equation. To get rid of divide by 4, I need to times by 4. Whatever I do on this side, do on the other side. Right, divide by 4 is cancelled by times by 4. You're left with 16 add question mark is equal to 6 times 4 is 24. Right, 16 add something to give me 24. Well, that is going to be 8. Missing number is 8. And you can check by just adding all 4 numbers and then dividing by 4. So I'm just checking. 4 add 5 is 9, 9 add 7 is 16, 16 add 8 is 24. 24 divided by the number of numbers, 24 divided by 4 is 6, is what I've got over here. Right, next one. We have find the missing numbers using the clues. So there are 4 missing numbers. And the clues are over here. You've got the range, which is 8. Right, the range is 8. Remember, the range means biggest take away smallest. So something, okay, that's going to be the biggest number. So we got something, biggest number, take away the smallest number, that smallest number there. 7 take away 3 gives you 8. So something take away 3 to give me 8. So do inverse operation. 8 add 3 is 11. So this is 11. Biggest take away smallest. 11 take away 3 should give you 8 over there. Right, the median is 6. That goes in the middle. That's the median. Right, now the mean is 6. The mean of those 5 numbers is 6. So we've got 3, add 6, add 11, add. Well, I'm going to call this and this number together. I'll call that x. I'll just use x for now. I'm representing those two missing numbers, the total of those two missing numbers is as x. Right, so the total of those numbers divided by, well, how many numbers are there? Including the missing numbers, it's 5. So the total divided by the number of numbers gives you the mean, which is 6. Now to get rid of divide by 5, I need to times by 5. Whatever I do on this side, do on the other side. So you're left with 3 add 6 is 9, 9 add 11 is 20, plus the x is equal to 6 times 5 is 30. So clearly then x is equal to 10. Our x is equal to 10. So those two numbers, the total of those two numbers is 10. So there seems to be like a number of possibilities. For example, I could have right here, I could possibly have 3 and 7. 3 add 7 does give me the 10. And you need to make sure that the numbers that you've got here are smallest to biggest. So you've got the 3, 3, 6, 7, 11. Yeah, that could work. They are smallest to biggest. Is there another possibility? Let's have a look. Yeah, maybe 4 and 6. Let's have a look. 4 and 6. 4 add 6 does make the 10. And are these numbers smallest to biggest? 3, 4, 6, 6, 11. Yeah, so that's another possibility.